How to fix Advapi32 not found error in the Roblox in Windows 7. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. So let me show in this video that how to fix Advapi32 not found error in the Roblox in your Windows 7. So let's get into it without any further delay. First of all, you just need to click on your start option at the very bottom left, and then now you have to just search here for add or remove program. Once you find, you have to just click to open it. So it will take you to your control panel. Here basically you have to just right click on your Roblox player user and then click to uninstall it. Don't worry, this is the permanent way to solve your error. Wait for completing this uninstallation process, and then you have to just open your Chrome browser and then search here for your official website of Roblox, which is named as roblox.com. So here what you need to do, you have to just simply click on the login, and here you have to just put here your credentials that are connected to your Roblox account, and once you're done, click on the login. Basically you have to just again log in to your Roblox account. Once you are here on your Roblox homepage, you just need to click to open any of the game. Like I am selecting this one. This is the temporary step, so don't worry. You have to just select any of the one that you want to choose. Now here you have to just click on the play option, and such type of the pop-up window will open for you. Click on the download and install Roblox and wait for completing this download. Once this download is completed, then you just need to click on it in order to install it and wait for completing this all processing. And once this process is completed, then you will be back to your Roblox without any error. So yes, this is an easy way to fix your error in your Roblox in your Windows 7. So I hope this was a big help for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel Let Me Guide. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.